Let's start looking at the opening rates now.
Nifty is on the verge of breaking that 23,500 mark. Highly possible because of the kind of selling pressure which you've seen at least till yesterday day end from the option writers. So we need to see if in the first half an hour, first 1 hour, you see any change of texture. But it looks like that now. I think we are looking at a midpoint pivot range for the index at 23,500 for the Nifty, plus minus 500 points broadly. I think should be the broad range. Volatility index, the India VIX has risen back towards 22. It's on the verge of breaking that 22 mark. So we need to keep an eye on that, because the more the India VIX rises about 23 or maybe 24 levels, there could be a possibility that the index can go into a downtrend. However, reverse could be the case also. If the India VIX starts to go into a correction, then you might see the index stabilizing.
Rudra?
Yeah. Rudra, how do you look at this market at this point in time? Do you think 23,500 will be protected in today's trade, or there is a risk of closing below that?
Sajid, very clear. Last time when both of us spoke, you were asking me whether 24,600 will hold, and there was a lot of put selling. And I was very clear, it is just a sell on rise market, and we will see that 24,600 breaking. And see, from there we are down 1,000 points in 2 days. Even in my wildest dream, I could never even expect or even think of 1,000-point kind of a fall in just 2-3 days. And yes, direction wise I was right, but not on the speed and the way in which it has fallen. But let me now even tell you here that don't try to catch this falling knife, number one. Number two, this market is in a clear sell-off mode. Wait for crude oil to come down and wait for rupee to appreciate versus dollar. Unless these two things come in your favor, don't venture on the buy side. And if you are a long-term investor who wants to buy on every dip. Don't put a lump sum money all together one shot. And when you are buying, be very selective. Look at sectors like, as I told, metals, especially in large cap. Even if you want to go, for me, yes, Reliance will be a very good stock to buy from large cap. Focus on even another stock like either L&T, where some amount of relative strength I still see in them. SB on dips is a very good buy, because last 2-3 quarters the results have been fabulous. So try to find out stocks where the quarterly results were good in last 2-3 quarters, and relatively they are doing better than the market fall, and buy them in piecemeal. Don't be a braveheart person to buy everything on lump sum, and this market will give you opportunity to buy on dips. And for me, if you are a short-term trader, sell on every rise. Look at shorting automobile, look at shorting banking stocks, look at even selling places where higher crude prices are negative for those stocks and sector. So for me, yes, OMCs, or even for that matter, private bank, even autos, these are all great places to go short. And yes, still this market has not made a bottom.
Rudra, thank you very much for joining us today and giving us your insights.